Today we will discuss International Accounting Standard 8, that is changing in accounting policies and accounting estimate and error. Changes in accounting policies, accounting estimate and error. International Accounting Standard number 8 was implemented on 1st January 2005 and amended by various new standards. The objective of International Accounting Standard number 8 is to prescribe the criteria and accounting treatment of accounting policies, their changes, and changes in accounting estimate plus correction of errors. In IAS 8 accounting policies, changes in accounting estimate and error, we will first discuss accounting policies. Accounting policies are principle, basis, convention, and rule to prepare financial statements. How to select and apply accounting policies. We will first look when there is an IFRS or IFRIC SIC in place, apply it. Otherwise, it is not available. When there is a neither FIRS nor FRIC SIC in place, use judgment to develop your own policy. But take care IFRS about similar issues, the conceptual framework, or other financial reporting rule, etc. Accounting policies. When can we change the accounting policies? If they are required by an IFRS, new policies result in more reliable information. How can we change the accounting policy? Through transitional provision in new IFRS or retrospectively. How can we change retrospectively? We can restate opening balances of equity as if the new policy had always been in place. Warning: change from cost model to revaluation model is not a change in accounting policy. Accounting estimates. Accounting estimates are not defined by IAS 8. Changes in accounting estimate. Adjustment of a carrying amount or periodic consumption or not correction of error. New information. Example: bad debt provision, depreciation and warranty repair. How can we change the accounting estimate? Retrospectively. In the current reporting period, in both current and future reporting period. Most of the people cannot distinguish between accounting policies and accounting estimates. There are some differences in accounting policies and accounting estimates, and their treatment is also significantly different. What is it? Accounting policies are principle and measurement basis, whereas accounting estimates are more related to amount and pattern. Example: change in historical cost of fair value to fair value is example of accounting policy change, and change in provision amount based on fair value is an example of accounting estimate change. Change from incurred credit loss IAS 39 to expected credit loss IFRS 9 is an example of accounting policy change, whereas accounting estimate change include change in estimated percentage of loss allowance. Accounting treatment is also in accounting policies done retrospectively, whereas in accounting estimate it is prospectively. Prior period error. Omission from or misstatement in the financial statement for prior period as a result of ignoring or misusing available information are looked. If they are material, then we will restate retrospectively. Comparatives and opening balances also. And if they are not material, they are in the current reporting period corrected.